Hey,
What up,
Red Moon family?
Red Moon gamers in the house.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So what we doing today, bruh?
We are doing some Jet Force Gemini. What? Stage 3?
Stage 3. Daniel gets to suffer with the controls.
Yep, dude.
And I'm backing all the way out.
And he was remember how much he was talking in the last one. He was
I mean,
doing
as
this.
long as I do better than Jerry, I'm good.
That's true.
Hey,
that's true.
I mean, that's not hard to do though.
Yeah, that ain't a high
Not
bar.
hard to do. No, yeah, we're excited. I mean, I'm having fun with these.
It's good to get back and just relive these games.
I know, man. I'm so excited to finally beat this and be able to be like, we just beat it.
Yeah.
I just want to know, once we get to that one spot,
I know.
if it's something super dumb.
I don't know if I'll remember where it was.
Well, I know where it is.
As long as we beat it, I don't care.
Dude, for real. Have you guys beat this game? You like it? Oh,
Yeah, 99. So, I mean,
99. I was 8.
22 years ago, bro. Who's went back and played this? Who never played it in the 90s?
That's a rare replay.
All right. Let's do this.
Let's go. Oops. Wrong camera. My bad.
So I'm gonna play her, Vila.
Yo, she's fine, bro.
That many skirts, too many.
No, it ain't.
But yeah, so 64 games. In 64 games.
Okay. Top 5.
Oh, I gotta fix that.
Top 5?
I mean, you know, we already got Okra Arena.
Okra Arena.
Ocarina.
Okra Arena of Time.
Okra.
Majora's Mask.
Doors Mask.
Battle
Battle Tanks. I don't know if that
Is
makes
that
the top
top
5.
though?
but-
That's a good one though.
Mario
Force.
Kart 64.
Mario Kart. Duh.
I don't know, man. I kind of liked Lego Racing.
Lego Racing? I never really
I
played
didn't
it.
play Lego
I
Racing.
killed some Lego
Really?
Racing, yeah.
I've got to play 64 though before that. Oh, what else?
GoldenEye.
Golden
Oh yeah, man, we played
Absolutely classic.
many of hours.
We played a lot of
Hour.
Banjo Kazooie too, actually. Surprisingly, I wouldn't put it up there, but it was.
Banjo Kazooie's a good one though.
It is.
How do you jump?
I
There
had
we
Donkey
go.
Kong 64.
Oh, Donkey Kong
Oh,
64.
yeah, dude. Get that chest.
Well, do that rollover, bro. How do you open?
I think you do the shoe
What
one
else?
on your front
I don't even think I can remember
other side.
64 games.
I know. I mean, of course, I'd have to.
Did you guys
see
play a
it.
lot of like Quest 64?
Uh-uh.
That was a good one. I don't think that's. I think that's.
Oh,
another
that's
game
all. I
never
remember
beat.
that one,
Um,
bro. I don't know how to. There we go.
we got it. We're there.
Here, opening your
Open
chest.
the chest.
10 minutes in.
Good gracious.
And that's the whole video.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.
Dang, for real though, they
It's weird. Huh?
do jack up like,
I mean, it was built for a one-stick
yeah.
controller.
Oh, get all these weapons.
Go get those little big head guys.
He
trying to throw your
yeah,
shit
that's
up,
what I'm
pickaxe,
saying.
man.
That's assault.
He MC
I ain't
Hammer
gonna
me
put
right
5
now,
of
bro.
them in the 4 of them in the first room. Old school games are funny, man. Like some of the stuff they do.
I just like hit them behind crates.
Right? Like, oh, that was hard.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't see them there.
Green
You need the green key,
required.
Daniel.
I need a green key for that.
Terrible
too.
font, man.
Dang, I feel like I didn't play a lot of. Turok.
Oh, I love
Turok,
Turok.
dude.
I almost rebought that.
Yo, shout out to my homie Turok. By the way. Dang, what else?
Just scoot over a little bit.
Like, I'm trying to
Cut
think.
off.
Oh, somebody bust a cap at me.
Yeah, they shoot.
I can go.
They buck powing.
Bro. Tell me how you can only move the camera when you're aiming, bro.
Ah.
And why is it so sensitive?
So
Dude,
I
it's-
told you.
you know what's funny?
It's acting sensitive like Jerry, bro.
Nah, bro.
Dang.
You gonna be sensitive
You're
after this
sensitive.
level, just like me.
Why did we choose to play this game?
I know.
I think we just quit
and
because
the camera's just turning. Oh my lord!
Your ass.
They're just standing there.
They're like, yeah. You would have
I like
been
how they're
there.
like,
They're ducked under nothing. You got to remember. You got to just aim. Yeah, it flies right when you die.
Bro, you got to use the... Good Lord. So you really do got to use the aim button to move the camera.
Yep.
Yeah, dude, it's crazy.
Nope.
Just right.
Nope.
The button on the... For this Elite controller.
And they run
Well, you
so
can pop
fast.
those suckers out.
Can I stop those?
Yeah, you can just pull them out.
Who is shooting me? Who's busting caps right now?
Sniper.
He capping
Sniper,
over
no
here.
sniper. He's right there.
I can't jump. Okay.
Can't zoom and jump. Oh, there's somebody up top.
Oh, shit.
Oh! Overkill!
You know he did.
Yeah, dude. Go back and go up there. You got too many doors in this level, bro. I'm like, which
You just
one?
pick one.
All these
one, go.
choices, bruh.
So get that help.
Yeah, go get those little.
Yeah, you can't aim and jump.
It's the little things. It's like, come on, bro.
You imagine playing like Halo or something, not being able to aim and jump at the same time.
Bro, it...
I'm like, what are we in right now?
That's one of the Halo though. It's like we're in the future.
You said I can take these off?
Yeah, they just pop up.
Cool. The fact that I gotta use the aim.
To turn around. Oh, that dude got armor.
Oh, okay.
A little shield.
How do I change the weapons? There we go.
Fully automatic with the hand signs.
Oh! Shit! Bitch. Hold on.
He said F your grenade.
He shot that up
He
in
shot
the
it up in
air.
the air, bro.
He's on X Games mode. Just look back at it.
He said, dice him up.
This game's cheating for Daniel.
Dude, they're not good bad guys.
What? They're not even dying. Oh.
He's gone. He said, I'm out. He got a shield. He running.
Dude, how am I shooting him when he's not dying? Like, I
Throw a
was shooting
grenade at him.
so they can shoot it out in the air.
They got good shot when they're shooting a grenade out of the air, but they can't shoot you when you're standing right in front of them.
They're like the stormtroopers, bro.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm like the stormtroopers right now.
You let your gun charge and shoot rapidly.
Oh.
Shot his leg off.
Diced him up.
Leg, arm, head.
I don't think that's how it goes.
Oh. Okay. Was he dead or was he alive?
No, you just shot his leg off. Just let him bleed out. That's messed up.
Dang, Daniel.
That's brutal.
I'm a soldier, bro.
Sure.
I'm a soldier. Yeah. I need some shorter shorts. We are the
Bro, I don't
future,
even know where
the
you're supposed to
ammunition.
go in this game.
I know, it's just like
No,
No,
What's the icon?
instructions.
What's the icon thing?
I feel like I'm
no,
doing.
that's one of the jet things when you're when you're
Oh, when you're the-
when you get the
Oh,
little,
fuel. Yeah.
No, that's when you get the little side character.
the dog.
No, go. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No, no.
It fills up his jetpack.
The fact you can't move the camera with is crazy to me.
No. Oh,
I still feel like I'm doing better than Jerry.
I don't know about that, man.
You sure?
Do
you want to rewatch the video?
You're doing pretty crappy too.
check tape?
Okay. We'll let the people judge.
Yeah.
Do you guys think he did just as bad, or is he doing better? Let's see. Send it to the people.
WWE No Mercy.
Oh, we
yes.
played the crap out of that one.
That game, hundreds of hours I put in that
Dude.
game.
Once you learn how to
A blitz?
Oh, NFL Blitz. Oh,
would already
yeah.
know. Are there no big heads in here?
Oh damn, I'm gonna die though. For real, for real.
Oh, not for real, for real.
Gotta get that health.
Health up.
What are the health? Oh,
The
shit.
diamonds.
You better just stay back.
Oh, you son of a monkey.
You just
Oh, murked him.
we doing the same.
I feel like my level is harder than yours, bro.
I feel like you had 2 people to watch do it first, so you have the leg up.
Tell it to people who play games like Fear Factor, bro. People who go second don't always win.
They don't always, but they still see the game played.
Bro.
Dude, how are you supposed to? You better back up
Into the lava?
I'm just saying slowly.
Back up slowly.
But these remotes, you running.
I tried to run. Bro.
That's hard, bro. What I would do is run through and get them up there, and then like get on the platform.
Woo! Juking. Hot juking.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting you were the other character when you got
the machine gun.
Yeah.
I thought those transferred across though for some reason, but I guess not.
Golly.
Jesus.
That's like super far. It's not. I'm gonna scoot up a little more. There we go.
There it is.
Oh!
Was there a little platform over there?
Yes.
There was.
Oh, you did that on purpose? No, I was kidding.
Wait, where
I knew you could do that.
Wait, there was a stairs. Go down there.
There's nothing down there.
Oh, maybe it drains eventually. Yeah, I bet it drains or something.
You tell me I wasn't supposed to be here.
No, turn around.
Oh.
Did it turn
Oh
green?
yeah, you don't.
It
No,
didn't
you don't
turn
have,
green.
it's a key door.
Uh.
So nope.
Ah!
I probably was gonna get the machine gun or something too.
Somebody told us to play a horror game, by the way.
What horror game?
They just said they want to see us play a horror game.
Oh yeah.
Dang, bro. You would
What's
have
the
definitely looked
suggestion?
way better than me if you'd have never went through those doors.
Get all that health.
Get the hell,
Don't
bro.
let that health go to waste.
How you supposed to know where to go?
That's what I'm saying. I didn't even understand where he was going in the first place.
Right, like I don't. There's literally that's the thing with old school games, man. They were like
no
that.
direction. Just
You
figure
just
it out.
got. That's
Just run
why
around for a while.
we didn't beat this game.
No directions. I can't go. That's why I had to go back in the. But there's a couple doors at the beginning, so
Yeah.
I guess I
So I
wasn't.
guess
even...
that. Well, that's good to know. It seems like they're playing it that way, kind of like you go through all the doors in order, pretty much.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Which is good. You know.
The thing that's gonna suck though is as soon as it closes out and says, "Oh, ding ding ding," and I gotta go back here. I gotta shoot all these fools again, bro.
I don't know. I think they stay dead.
Yeah, I think they're
each-
dead.
No, when you do the, when it shows
you
how
beat
many
the
of
whole
those
level.
No, like you remember when you kept running in the first part?
Like they're dead in here.
Oh yeah. Like
if it shows like it goes to and
there's
it shows
portions of the level.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That you can run through. So when you go through those portions and come back,
Will you turn my headset
they
down?
respawn.
Son?
Which one are you? 3?
There you go.
Or should I be the machine gun?
Oh, so funny, dude.
Yeah, I have to blur that out.
I used to try to do that stuff again.
Yep, there's the machine gun right there.
Told you.
That's hilarious, bro.
Yeah, I think there was a door inside that you had that you shoot with a machine gun to open. Go get that extra health.
Let me stack up on that health, bro.
You gotta get all the health you can get.
Because you got no more life. So
I have no more lives?
yeah, you can get 3 if you get a restart the level.
I died once.
You died twice.
What?
No, you died once.
I died. Oh no, I died
No, you
twice.
died
Oh, because you
twice.
fell in the lava.
Yeah.
Gotta book it.
Is that bottom corner? Or is that the one you went through?
Who is shooting me?
All the way over there.
Way over.
That dude. Marked him.
Piece him up.
Can't go through. We didn't get the right key, right?
No.
Gotta be shooting some barrels.
There's
or something.
a go down. There's a door somewhere around here.
That music. Bam. Bum, bum, bum. Did you already go in there?
Yeah, I think there's a thing at that door.
I can.
That's red.
Yeah, you shoot it with a machine gun. No, it's not a red key.
Mm.
It's because that's the level I was on. You learn that little mechanic. I get closer. Just get right on it. There it is.
Uses so many bullets. So quick, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay. Y'all gonna try to get me caught up. Okay. Why did that switch that way? Did it think I was going?
Got a big one over there. I see him up.
Switch the grenades.
You standing right next to that
I'm
girl.
trying to. I was like trying to remember which. Okay. This is not. Come on. That's as far as we could throw the grenades.
Oh, that sounded.
You turned around and even give him the show, and nobody's dead.
Okay. You think?
Not from that far.
Oh snap!
There it is.
And then he dies easy.
Look at that, easy.
That's hilarious, dude.
Life
Life
Force
Force
door.
door.
I'll kill the dude.
I gotta wait for this dude to die.
There it is. Yeah. Life Force door.
Is that a bad guy or not?
I don't think so.
No,
He's over there cussing you out.
he's like, bro, what I do to you, son?
You gonna talk? Okay.
You got pissed.
I didn't know who you were.
You gonna read it?
The only operation we have left is my brother's mine on. Is that Retha?
Essa?
We don't.
Wreath?
Rith.
Riff?
Essa?
Is that an A or is that an R?
Better make my way back before that one goes bust too. Not much point hanging around here anyway. Hang on a minute. You're one of those crusading heroine types, aren't you? Interesting. Ain't you? Aren't you? Maybe there's hope for you. Maybe there's hope yet. Tell you what, take this key. You'll need it to get into the docking bay. Oh, whatever. Okay.
You talk too much. Dang.
This man, I need him to talk for me. You know, we've been doing voiceover in games for a long time now.
Final Fantasy X, man.
Yeah. Okay, where was that at?
Yeah, where'd he's hiding that?
So red doors. The upper room.
Throw a grenade on it. Gotta waste a bullet though.
That was the slowest of opening a
Shotgun. Bit, bit.
I can go in that door.
Are you gonna go back or are you gonna? What do you think?
Should I go back or
There's
go?
there's a jetpack over this around this corner. It'll increase your ammo.
Go hit that red door.
Yeah, get them red doors.
Go to the beginning before I go on.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a checkpoint section.
Yeah, I don't want to have to then come back all the way through here and
Kill
fight
everybody.
these dudes.
I think the next time I'll play too, I'll go back and can you shoot that thing on the wall?
This?
Yeah. No. I think the next time I go back and play number 2 and explore that one a little bit more if we can. Or did it let us choose?
Yeah, you can go back.
Okay.
Is that a red door?
Yeah.
Or is that a machine gun door?
Red. Slow
Red
loading.
door.
The red doors. The red keys.
Was I already in here?
Green door.
Can you not get through it?
Wasn't there? I thought there was another red door.
Yeah, to the lava room. Was that the red one?
Yeah, the lava room.
That's what I'm saying. They pretty much
They're not
no
telling
bad guys all the way through.
until I hit that checkpoint.
No, I know, but I'm just saying like at least you don't have to like just come back here. You know what I mean?
That's great.
I'm
Wait, what?
gonna have to run all the way back here.
Where was that lava room?
The other side? I think.
Other
Yeah, but
way,
you have to.
yeah.
You know what I mean? You have to come back here for that green door anyway.
I'm trying to go to the upper room.
They just want you running around and make the
Oh
game.
yeah, where that
longer.
dude was sniping at you from.
You might not be able to get there until you get the dog or something though.
I think you get the dog relatively soon.
Yeah, you probably do.
I mean, if there's the pad thing here, I assume.
Well, you come
Some
back to
level.
levels to do other things, I think.
Or we were just bad at the game and just went back to every level just because we didn't know what to do.
Well, you would if they give it pads. You know, they used to do that back in the day. Like they would like put something like on the first level that once you acquire something later, if you want to do that. I can't remember what game used to do that a lot.
Well, Metrovanias, that's like the style of them, like Metroid and Castlevania.
Oh, you guys see the new Metroid coming out?
Oh,
Yeah.
for real?
It looks a lot like the old
It's
school.
the first 2D game in
Yeah,
Okay.
It looks good.
15 years,
Instead
20
of,
years,
like-
something like that.
The 3D ones.
Because
Yeah.
the 3D one, like I didn't like that one.
I enjoyed the GameCube ones; they were fun.
Or the
but
GameCube,
they
like-
weren't. It wasn't Metroid.
It wasn't the same.
Do you got to fight?
No.
Red door though.
Whoa!
Ah! Just aim, nigga.
Now you're just playing.
I was just messing with
Just
you guys.
aim, son.
So stupid, bro.
Yeah.
Why do I have to aim to turn the camera?
Oh, giddy. Oh,
Okay.
saw a dude up there. Heard a dude up there.
Growling. Somebody's growling.
Smelled a dude up there.
DMX?
He said, "Arr, get him.
All my dogs in here.
Get him, boys."
You buster.
He's trying to get a headshot. He said, take this weapon. That was late.
No, I was trying to remember which one was jump.
Oh.
He just killed him. He said, "I sue us."
Okay.
Yeah, you ain't jumping over that. There, how you gonna get over that? He trying to jump. Turn around. Okay, so there's nothing. Oh, shoot him. I'm just
I
gonna.
don't think you're
You
supposed
gotta
to
get
get
the
that.
dog.
That's
There's no way I
probably
gotta
This is
jump over
dog
it.
stuff.
Yeah,
You
so you
gonna try?
gotta get him this level.
I wouldn't try, dude. Well,
That
maybe.
one, you could make that one.
Yeah, you probably can. Yeah. He said, "I'm waiting for him to jump." He just threw his gun.
He was out.
He said, "Come on, I might be able to knock her out." And but you got pistol ammo. How does that work? Okay, there's a
What
lot
the
going
freak
on.
is happening?
You gotta wait, turn.
This seems like the most
bro.
pointless room ever. Who designed this
Yeah,
room?
for real. There you go.
That was a good idea.
Go back. No, that one comes over.
Yeah, who designed this room?
For real. Like, why not just make ladders that go straight up to the place?
Why
you
not
need to
just
go?
make all the platforms
Whoa.
connect?
Ah, bro,
Bruv.
how'd you do that?
You're dead.
You can't even get out of here. You gotta quit the game.
I'm pretty sure one comes all the way down.
That's so funny. Like, it's not obvious though. You better not get smashed by that.
Not that one.
That one.
Oh, that's weird.
This room makes no
And how
sense.
you supposed to know? They don't give you any direction.
Okay, it was my depth of field that right now, bro.
Yeah, dude. I know. I thought you were close.
Get at it early.
Woo.
It'll fall off again. What?
I didn't even move, bro.
That's so dumb.
Oh my goodness.
You got to get deep into the things. You can't be like right on the edges.
This is probably one of the hardest games I've ever played in my life.
Bro, why are you risking that?
For a biscuit, bro.
Wait, where are you? Bro.
I'm about to do all this work.
Bro,
And then you about to fall jumping over
you
this
just
big?
get one dude. Oh no, there's a door over there.
Dang it! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are those, bro?
Use that aim. Use that aim camera.
Yeah, like why does that one even need to be there?
If you gotta go backwards.
And why you
for
gotta
some
go
reason.
up to go down? Like, what?
Oh
Bro,
my god, dude!
You just gotta run and jump it.
You can't run.
Yeah, you just have to do what you just did.
You can't grab on those?
The hardest puzzle I'll ever deal with.
This is like a new age Zelda puzzle.
So intricate.
Just because
You
the
got like
controls
a
are
200 IQ.
hard. Yeah.
That's the
Cameras.
easiest.
The
Oh.
camera's terrible.
We're gonna debate with this title.
There
The hardest puzzle ever.
Man, you gonna rush it at the end. No!
What are you doing?
Stressful, bro.
Another one! I have to get like the worst one, bro.
This is so weird. Wait, no, okay, you gotta go down.
Then you get the dog and you just fly through the rooms.
I don't even think you need to go on that. Just go jump. to
Wait,
it.
you hurt if you just jump off.
No, but there's like
I just
Yeah.
drop down.
not right there, but like right
Right here.
over there. Look down. Okay. She said, "I'm free, freedom."
I think that's it.
Really?
That's
Oh, okay.
all
That
that
was the
for
door.
a dude.
But forgot you got that shotty. Ooh.
You better use it.
Whoa!
You better use it. It's not that. Okay.
Oh.
Goodness, freaking! I did not expect that.
They lit you up,
I should have went
They
in
shot
with
you while you were down.
Are you serious?
so you got to start all the way
Is
over.
it from the? I'm pretty sure it's from the very.
No way.
Are you kidding me, bro? Do I get the red key again too?
Well, you got the shotgun though, so
Look at the guys.
I don't care about the guys. Are we trying to perfect this game?
No, I'm saying because they were right there.
forget them kids. But you didn't have
And
the
this,
green
and then
key
there's green
anyways.
keys in here.
Yeah.
How many rooms are in this thing?
47.
Bro, this is crazy.
Where was I at?
Through the lava room? No, okay, you got the key.
Okay, you got the
Cool,
red key. Go,
okay.
go. That's good. At least that you keep the keys.
So you gotta clear the room.
Yeah, you gotta clear the room.
Because it wasn't down there, it's up here. Huh?
Yeah. I'd stay up there though, because those dudes were like in the middle one and just chuck grenades at them. Mess them up. Rain down.
Rain down hell.
There it is.
They're down here.
Yep.
Oh!
Or fall down with them.
It's like those ice levels back in the day.
Yeah, how much?
Machine gun. Machine gun.
Worst machine gun in the world.
How did I?
It went right through him.
You got a
Okay.
shield.
This is the stupidest junk in the world, bro.
I told you, dude.
Who would ever like like this game.
I feel like I don't remember it being hard. You know what I mean?
It's most
Like,
likely the
I don't know,
controller.
man. Check those new age controls.
yeah, I gotta try it again on the 64 controller.
I just ordered some USB ones. That will be here next time.
We should just use that top camera.
I'm gonna have to. Oh, I'm gonna have to go through
That way it
that
doesn't have to
maze
have us all up on
again,
each
bro.
other. Yeah. That way we don't have to be like. We don't have to be like hugging Becky.
I need a wide angle. I think that's how you're supposed to use the shotgun.
That's how I'm gonna use it though.
You gotta do what you gotta do in this game. What is that ammo right there? You might get more.
Just come out, shoot one time.
Shoot and miss. Like he's doing something. Nope.
It won't reset.
Get that health. Get that health.
Bam.
Oh, you know what?
Can you see the system?
I gotta run into this room again, bro.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Go back in though. Go back. Go
Maybe I
back in that
can
room.
Just run through.
just run through because I already got the key. And
Yeah,
stuff.
you do. But go back in that room.
Run up this side.
Yeah.
Oh, just fill up my health.
Oh, that's cool.
Just one more time through.
And then just speak through.
Yeah.
Not too fast though.
Yeah.
Oh, you still could use some more if you wanted to get more health.
Scoot it like Skeeter.
My cousin Skeeter. God, this is hard.
Skeeter and Beater.
Oh my goodness.
Good thing we got that extra health.
One guy up here, right?
Now for the world's hardest maze.
Well, you don't have to do the whole thing now. Oh, actually, yeah, you do, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Who's growling?
I know, I never heard ants growl.
I mean, I never saw human-sized ants either.
That's true. They might growl.
Completely irrelevant, but I'm in the ant arc of Hunter x Hunter right now.
I'm watching it right
Hey.
now. Oh, whoa! I'm watching.
She
We
got
just
hoppers, bro.
And that shows.
we just watched. We just finished at the beginning when they were fighting.
Oh!
How you not?
How do you like stop?
Where they were fighting those prisoners at the very beginning when they're doing the exam.
Oh, yeah, when Killer pops
Yeah.
off. Yeah.
I just watched it with Aaliyah. She was like, "Man,
so
he's
good,
so
yeah.
strong."
Right?
I was like, they haven't even touched anything of what they could do. He's that strong, and they haven't even touched anything.
Oh, guys, if you're here for our gaming, we have a
Oh,
bro.
bruv.
Come on, dude.
Look at that, just sitting
These
right there.
ants are like...
They're lazy.
Look at
They're like, didn't you already kill us once?
These are the rejects.
They gotta wait for you to kill one.
What?
He's really trying to bum rush you.
What is happening right now? Why don't I have a melee
He's trying
weapon?
to kick you in the head.
For real, why don't I have a melee weapon?
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm trying.
Can't aim jump!
Bro.
Quit playing games with my heart.
Oh man.
Oh, man. Anyway, we have an anime music reaction page. You'll hear us talk a lot about anime.
Little channel.
You know, if you like our gaming, if you like anime, Go
it
check
out.
us out there. It's really funny.
I should
It's
not
a
have
lot
done
of fun.
that.
You got one hit.
We're better at that than this.
Speak for yourself.
Yeah, I don't know. Mike Shot took the first level. You need to do another level before you say anything.
Oh, we out next. We'll see.
We'll find out.
Jump. Not die.
Just tap it, bro.
Tap it in.
I can dream. It's a simple thing. I'm building
Like building a time machine?
I only need one shot though. I'm gonna get murdered.
Yep. You'll get murked.
Oh,
I mean,
I'm gonna
hopefully
die.
it'll just restart you in this room.
Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna be able to kill them all.
Just
without
start shooting. She
You
said backflip.
can take one.
That backflip though? That's crazy, bro.
Bro, I'm so.
Get that ammo. It's bad. It's nope. That's not what you want to do.
Stand up!
Stand up! There's health right there too.
Keep shooting.
They're like when you lay down, that's when they stop shooting.
Bro, what is happening?
These guys ain't no joke, bro.
Oh, looks like we made it.
Made him on top of the world. Yeah, it's not easy, man. Especially when you go to use like
I'm gonna
faster.
go out and come back and get some more life.
Yeah, that's smart. What if they were back in there? You're like, no.
Oh yeah, these are fibers.
Oh yeah, I'll fill up in no time,
Gotta get them though.
bro.
Doing a little gaming.
Oh my goodness.
Red Moon Gamers. Yeah, buddy. We're playing expert level Jet Force Gemini.
We live.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi everyone.
We're experts at this game. If you
We
guys
are
want to see
not experts.
if you guys want to see experts play this game, check our gaming channel out. You won't miss out. What am I trying to say?
You will regret it.
You will.
I mean, you won't regret it.
You won't regret it. You will regret it.
You will regret it.
Love you guys. Peace. You will regret it.
My bad. I said what I was thinking.
I said what I said. You like
I did.
like Reach. I said what I said.
I said what I said. And I meant it.
I meant what I said. I won't take it back. Get it.
How are you?
Ooh.
Oh.
Bro, come on.
Bro, oh wait, go back.
How's my level so much longer than Jerry's?
Dead ass.
Added health.
Well, I didn't finish most of my levels, so we don't know how long.
True. He just ran through. Speed ran it. Oh, we're not doing speed runs?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was.
Oh, well, your guys' fault. Say less. I would have beat it.
Ooh, someone sniping on you from behind. From behind.
Oh, snap.
shoot.
Those guys are diabolical. Now the answer.
Murking them.
This guy.
How he running and dying? Did he just die?
Nope.
Yeah, he didn't.
Okay.
Bro, he's sprinting. Bro. Hitting all wall.
That wall do to you.
Yeah,
Is he dead or is it?
No.
What is happening?
is you dead or is you
He's
dead?
in the wall.
Collect the head.
This game is
Wasteful.
easy, guys.
Yeah, this game's a cake.
Pray for us on the harder levels.
This is level 3.
Okay.
Yeah, once we're further
Do you
into it,
have
hopefully
shotgun
we're
now?
better.
Nigga.
My
bad.
That's a natural reaction.
That might.
I said what I said.
I said what I said.
I said what I said, bro.
This game's gonna probably get a few of those out of us. We don't have a green key.
Are you kidding me?
Where we gotta go?
I don't know. I think that was it.
What?
Where's it supposed to be?
Oh, this is why I hate this game. There's
I know.
no instructions.
I think
It's true.
this might be a dog park, man. I don't see anything else.
Yo, I thought the green key would just appear.
Thought someone else would show up and just pull it out of nowhere.
Yeah, because this is the kind of thing. Obviously, it's not gonna be that hard on this one, but this is the kind of thing that happened. It's like you get to the end and you're running back to the level. Like, where do I find the green key, or where do I find that thing?
Yeah, like that.
That was gonna be like
Green
what do
key. What do we got? What do we got?
Green key!
Hey.
Lots of direction. This the beginning?
Oh, this is the
Yeah.
beginning. So now I can do the green key
I
stuff.
think I'll do that one, or you can, yeah, go back there.
Should I go back into the... I'm just gonna leave. Forget this, bro.
That's another day.
I'm not trying to be what's his name? The dude, the completionist, bro.
Oh yeah, not today.
I give him props because
That's work. Oh.
what is this? Okay. What is happening right now, bro? And this
Dang, they're mobbing.
This machine gun is garbage, bro.
There you go, just pull up.
Run up, get done up, homie.
Woo! I don't think that was how they were supposed to act.
That don't make any sense to me. Why would? Okay, who's still in here?
I thought you just got all the kills.
I did too.
I got the kills to pay the bills.
Nope.
Or maybe it's a certain amount. Not necessarily everyone. Pull up. Murked
Move, bruh.
him.
Okay. Oh, it's so touchy.
Yeah, trying to do those finite movements is insane. You barely tap it, you're looking at the roof.
How we doing, fellas?
It just bum rushed you again.
How am I wasting so much ammo to kill
I know,
one
it's
dude?
crazy.
He said, "Oh,
That's crazy.
oh,
It's like 140 bullets.
that's ridiculous."
I mean, honestly, you could have just switched your pistol.
This is so funny, man. This is a long level.
This game's work. But he just fell off.
I thought he was about to. Dun, dun, dun.
Woo!
Yeah,
Bro.
area.
Bro, I want my money back.
It's only 16 minutes.
Hey.
Let's fly off in the sunset, and Michael Sean can do this next time on Dragon Ball Z.
I'm not excited.
Next time on Dragon Ball.
On Jet Force Gemini.
We bring to you
Find out
another
how hard this game is.
insanely advanced
Please let me
Play.
know that you guys play this and you've experienced the same exact thing.
If you haven't, you got to go play it, even just to experience.
Is there someone out there who thinks the controls moving over to Xbox is good? If you were out there, let me know.
Let us know,
I'm
man.
about to slap your face out your mouth.
This is
I'm
crazy.
just playing. But seriously,
yeah,
I don't know how it works.
Let's see. What is our next level?
What's
Look
our
like?
next
What do we
level?
have ahead of us?
What does Michael Sean have ahead of him?
Blue Planet.
Yeah.
What's the texturing on these games? It's like
So
2D
plain.
cut out of like Photoshop.
It's crazy
thing
what we
around.
have these days, dude. Like the little things that you don't know, that you don't realize.
The windows are black.
Oh yeah.
They're like, we don't want
We're not
to.
taking time to render something inside this ship.
It's looking cool.
Dune.
All right, guys. So, what do you think? You guys liking us playing this? Do we seem like experts?
Are we frustrating you as much as we're frustrating ourselves?
How many of you are screaming at your screen right now?
Dude, let us know what you guys think. Let us know some recommendation on what you guys want us to play. We'll be in this Jet Force Gemini
Gemify.
for a little while.
We're beating it.
Check our video, our Final Fantasy VII remake. Go check that. We'll be doing that after this.
We
We
out.
out. We
Love you, bye.
Like, subscribe, all that. Peace.